ये रक्षा मंत्रालय का था, कलेक्टर को आदेश था कि यू टेक इमीडिएट डिसीजन.
Sir, I need not be your legal advisor. You know.
Yes, order is operating your lordship.
Sir, that is not binding on us.
एक चीज देख लिए 52 का order. Kindly see your lordship.
We are not ready to see anything.
They will demolish the entire structure. I was residing there with entire.
According to you, if it is not disputed, please take your seat, sir. Please. No, what is that arbitrary action? Which action you are challenging?
I am the prayer, lordship, for construction of go down, which was not completed up till now, in spite of work order issued in 2018, my lord.
Correct, sir. What is that you are asking? You are not asking. What is that your prayer?
Prayer is for the completion of go down, for which work order has already been issued in 2018.
No, who has prevented?
The order of this honorable court, my
My
lord.
lord, the private respondent have filed a suit, my lord. They have come before this honorable court, they have got their status quo in that very case. The other case, my lord,
Next case.
Second case, your lordship.
Second case.
I have the
No,
petition.
sir, first of all, first prayer, what is this? You are asking for a writ of mandamus?
I am the farmers of the locality. I have prayed before this honorable court to direct the respondents' authorities to complete the go down, for which work order has already been issued in September 2018.
Work order is in which favor? In whose favor?
Work order in favor of the contractor.
Who they are not being implicated as party?
Lordship. Pax was implemented as party. Lordship, in this case,
Who has allotted the? Which respondent has allotted the work?
district cooperative officer.
District.
Cooperative officer.
Who is representing?
My lord.
What is the stage of the work?
3 or 4 feet wall has been constructed, my lord, because there is a
No, what is the tenure of the work? 5 years?
1 year, my lord.
one year, my lord.
Then cancel and go for retender.
Lordship, there
Is
is
there any status?
Yes, a status quo had been granted in other case with regard to the land involved in this case, my lord. My lord have asked me to produce the Khatiyan, whose name the Khatiyan stand for plot number 692. I have bring the Khatiyan, my lord.
Regular records were called for you.
Yes.
And I am on the land, your lordship, from last 50 years. And that has come. I am on the land. Second petition, writ petitioner हम हैं. और I am on. Yes, जी.
Civil revision.
नहीं. CWJC 10541 of 2019. From last 50 years, your lordship, I am on the land because
Then invoke civil jurisdiction. How writ is maintainable?
it is maintainable because your lordship, it was allotted to the land. The proceeding was going on for
Sir,
settlement.
go and file civil suit. We are not here to decide you are disputed whether you have been allotted, you are in possession.
Your lordship, may please appreciate your lordship. The petitioner is a widow of war warrior.
Sir, we are not on merit, sir. We are saying how writ is maintainable.
Page 40, your lordship, land settlement proceeding is there, your lordship. Order number 4 may.
All right, with reference to that, you go and get injunction in civil court.
Order number 4, your lordship, may be seen. This honorable court, 15/2/2022. Civil suit was filed by the son of the petitioner, and the court was vacant, your lordship. In the meantime, what happened?
No, civil court, you have already invoked civil jurisdiction.
The sons, my sons were there.
No, go and implead yourself and be a party.
May see your lordship, order dated 15/2/2022. Land settlement proceeding was there, your lordship, and it was
They are not going to decide who is the title holder.
15/2/2022 देखा जाए 50 years से line पर है, your lordship, that has come in the revenue record.
Again,
I am on the
we are saying it's a disputed fact. Go and agitate before the civil court.
15/2 का देखा जाए ना order जरा इस honorable.
Why we should look into it when it is a fact that it's a civil dispute?
This order says that I should ask my sons to withdraw the civil suit, then the order will be passed by this honorable court. Your lordship, 15/4 का देखा जाए ना.
No, we can't pass such order.
15/2/2022 division bench का ही order. We are considered weak by the civil suit is withdrawn immediately.
How can we direct?
Matter can be referred to the district magistrate.
Right.
It was before the district magistrate, your lordship, only the
Sir,
final.
it's an interim order. It is not binding on us. We are going to pass a final order saying that a writ petition is not maintainable. It is a civil matter. You have to go and agitate before the civil court.
By the instruction of the central government, 137 page पर देख लिया जाए. Your lordship, please appreciate. My page number 137. It was in domain of the collector, your lordship, for settlement, and the central government, Ministry of Defence.
Sir, you take all defense before the civil court. We can't adjudicate.
In the meantime, they will demolish the entire. They attack me.
When you want me to be your legal advisor?
Your lordship,
You don't have power to make an application seeking injunction.
your lordship,
You can make application, no?
court was vacant, your lordship. In the meantime,
What second means you look.
the court was vacant at that time, and in the meantime, they forcibly tried to take possession of the land. That's why this writ was filed. Interim order is there in the lordship.
No, that's court. Then that's court.
Your lordship, एक पेज देख लिया जाए. ये रक्षा मंत्रालय का था. कलेक्टर को आदेश था कि you take immediate decision for settlement. As settlement proceeding was concluded, only decision was of the collector was awaited. That's why I have come in this court, and a direction was given by this honorable court, division bench, that you withdraw the suit, then I will direct the.
Sir, we can't give such direction. It is beyond our jurisdiction.
A settlement proceeding was pending, and no final order has been passed, your lordship. That's why this read code can direct the.
You settle yourself. You should not be a party in that. You go and settle.
Settlement proceeding was pending, your lordship. District magistrate was to be directed, and this honorable court said,
Sorry, sir, we will not interfere. Yes, take down.
that, your lordship, then till
No question of till then.
then your lordship, otherwise they will demolish the entire structure.
Sir, I need not be your legal advisor. You know.
Yes,
Sir,
order is operating, your lordship. This
that is not binding on us. I will cite a Supreme Court decision now itself.
Your lordship, then what will happen?
Huh.
They will demolish the entire structure. I was residing there with
They are not concerned with the.
long family.
They are not
Till then,
concerned.
your lordship, at least come second
They
protection be
are
given.
not concerned with the impact of this decision. Now we are going to dictate. This
Protection
is for you.
protection may be given, your lordship. Otherwise, I will be nowhere. And war widows and cat family is residing on the land, your lordship. And 50 years से
Allow us to give dictation.
इसको protection, at least protection be given to this widow, your lordship.
Sir, when writ petition itself is not maintainable, how can you ask us to protect your right? We are not exercising 142.
Your lordship, but I did not file that suit, your lordship.
Sir,
Suit was,
go and file a fresh suit. Seek an injunction not to demolish your building.
till then, your lordship, that will.
This time you want protection from us.
They have already tried to take forceful.
All right, keep on arguing the matter.
They have already done it, your lordship, under the government.
Yes, sir.
Kindly see, your lordship.
We are not ready to see anything.
Respondent number 11, he is PAC's chairman, and he got this writ petition filed for construction of the PAC's compound by his son. And under the garb of that, they want to dispossess me, a war widow, and she is residing on the land, your lordship, from last 50 years.
How many
along
times
with
you are
the
saying?
film.
How many times do you think that?
Protection may be given. Otherwise,
Even that you have stated 3 times. Give us protection, give us protection. First of all, writ itself is not maintainable. It's an interim order, it is not binding on us. We are going to pass a final order saying that a writ petition is not maintainable. It is a civil matter. You have to go and agitate before the civil court.
By the instruction of the central government, 137 पेज पर देख लिया जाए. Your Lordship, please appreciate. My page number 137. It was in domain of the collector, Your Lordship, for settlement, and the central government, Ministry of Defence.
Sir, you take all defense before the civil court. We can't adjudicate.
In the meantime, they will demolish the entire. They attacked me.
Why you want me to be your legal advisor?
Your Lordship,
You don't have power to make an application seeking injunction.
Your Lordship,
You can make application, no?
court was vacant, Your Lordship. In the meantime,
What second means you look.
No, the court was vacant at that time, and in the meantime, they forcibly tried to take possession of the land. That's why this writ was filed. Interim order is there in the Lordship.
Not judge court, then judge court.
Your Lordship, एक पेज देख लिया जाए. ये रक्षा मंत्रालय का था. कलेक्टर को आदेश था कि you take immediate decision for settlement. A settlement proceeding was concluded. Only decision of the collector was awaited. That's why I have come in this court, and a direction was given by this honorable court, division bench, that you withdraw the suit, then I will direct the.
Sir, we can't give such direction. It is beyond our jurisdiction.
A settlement proceeding was pending, and no final order has been passed, Your Lordship. That's why this read code can direct the.
You settle yourself. You should not be a party in that. You go and settle.
Settlement proceeding was pending, Your Lordship. District magistrate was to be directed. And this honorable court said,
Sorry, sir, we will not interfere. Just take down.
Your Lordship, then, till
No question of till then.
Your Lordship, otherwise they will demolish the entire structure.
Sir, I need not be your legal advisor. You know.
Yes, order is operating, Your Lordship. This
Sir, that is not binding on us. I will cite a Supreme Court decision now itself.
Your Lordship, then what will happen? They will demolish the entire structure.
Sir,
I was residing there with
They are not concerned with the.
long family.
They are not
Till then,
concerned.
Your Lordship, at least come second
They
protection be
are
given.
not concerned with the impact of this decision. Now we are going to dictate.
Protection
For you.
Protection may be given, Your Lordship. Otherwise, I will be nowhere. And war widows and cat family is residing on the land, Your Lordship. And 50 years से
Allow us to give dictation.
इसको protection, at least protection be given to this widow, Your Lordship.
Sir, when writ petition itself is not maintainable, how can you ask us to protect your right? We are not exercising 142.
Your Lordship, but I did not file that suit, Your Lordship.
Sir,
Suit was-
go and file a fresh suit. Seek an injunction not to demolish your building.
Till then, Your Lordship, that will.
Till then, you want protection from us.
They have already tried to take forceful.
All right, keep on arguing the matter.
They have already done it, Your Lordship, under the government.
Yes, sir.
Kindly see, Your Lordship.
We are not ready to see anything.
Respondent number 11, he is PAC's chairman, and he got this writ petition filed for construction of the PAC's compound by his son. And under the garb of that, they want to dispossess me. A war widow, and she is residing on the land, Your Lordship, from last 50 years.
How many
along
times
with
you are
the-
saying?
Fair.
How many times do you think that?
Protection may be given. Otherwise,
Even that you have stated 3 times. Give us protection, give us protection. First of all, writ itself is not maintainable.
read petition, Your Lordship, for a direction. The district magistrate kept the matter, and he has not filed final order. Then from the defense ministry, Your Lordship, direction has been given.
Minister has prayed for the following relief. So there is a dispute relating to title of the matter of property.
Dispute नहीं है, Your Lordship. एक चीज
Please allow me to give dictation.
appreciate, Your Lordship. 70 decimal land I claim.
Please take your seat. I am giving dictation.
30 decimal they have said. They have given the land 30 decimal. 30 decimal land only was there. Dispute is on 30 decimal they have raised. Dispute. Because the respondent number 11's son, Your Lordship, we got this petition filed that the construction of the building is not going to be, not is being allowed due to this injunction order of this High Court, interim order of the High Court. And Your Lordship, they filed it, And on 30 decimal of the land, they given that land because it's part in your domain. इनके रिट पिटीशन का your lordship एक पैराग्राफ देख लीजिएगा, ये लिखा हुआ है इसमें, प्रस्तावित स्थल की जांच, इनके फर्स्ट वाले रिट पिटीशन, जांच के पूर्व संबंधित प्रखंड सहायकारिता पदाधिकारी द्वारा दी जाती है। यदि कार्य आरंभ के उपरांत भी किसी समय जमीन संबंधी या अन्य विवाद सामने आता है तो इसके लिए संबंधित पदाधिकारी जिम्मेवार रहेंगे। आपके द्वारा उपलब्ध जमाए का लीज एग्रीमेंट समिति की जमीन अथवा संबंधित अंचलाधिकारी द्वारा गोदाम हेतु आवंटित सरकारी जमीन उसके द्वारा निर्गत आवंटित प्रमाण पत्र उपयुक्त स्थल पर संलग्न विवरणी के अनुसार आवंटित स्थल पर गोदाम कार्य निर्माण करने का आदेश दिया है। और उसमें ये देखा जाए लैंड जो डिस्क्रिप्शन है पेज 16 पर फर्स्ट रिट पिटीशन में, इसमें ऑल लैंड्स वाज टेकन ऑन लीज एंड दिस लैंड हैज बीन मेंशन्ड by the
How many times we have to say disputed issues cannot be adjudicated under Article 226?
there is no dispute on the rest land, your lordship. It is only on 30 decimal they have given it.
Whatever it may be.
And on 40
We are
decimal,
saying only disputed. According to you, if it is not disputed, well and good.
my writ petition should be separated, your lordship.
No question of separation.
Then the order dated 15/2 may kindly be seen, your lordship.
Please take your seat, sir. Please.
एक चीज देख लिए 15/2 का
We
order.
are saying, we are mentioning only disputed property. That's all.
But your lordship, defense ministry and all this honorable high court's direction that you asked your son to withdraw the
Take up this matter to Supreme Court.
ask the petitioner to take
All right, take up this matter to Supreme Court.
high court के direction में हमने affidavit
So
file.
we are not.
File affidavit.
We are not bound by that.
We have filed, your lordship, affidavit.
There is a
Going to.
title of the subject matter.
I am going to ask my sons to withdraw it.
Subject matter.
But till then protection.
Listen. The disputed issues cannot be adjudicated under Article 226, in particularly title of a particular piece of a property. Accordingly, sorry, at this stage it is necessary to take note of Apex Court decision so and so, wherein Apex Court has held that disputed issues cannot be adjudicated under Article 226 of the Constitution in a writ petition. Therefore, the petitioner has not made out a case. Accordingly, writ petition stand dismissed, reserving liberty to the petitioner to invoke appropriate forum. The other petition. The instant petition, petitioner has prayed for the following relief. The present petition is in the form of public interest litigation for the purpose of execution of public work insofar as construction of godown to stop. In this regard, the concerned respondent is hereby directed to undertake directed to complete the construction of godown within a period of 1 year from today. In the meanwhile, if there are any legal hurdle insofar as the subject matter of land, in that regard,
It has already been filed. Suit is there.
in that regard, District Cooperative Officer Muzaffarpur is hereby directed to have the opinion of the District Magistrate Muzaffarpur insofar as the subject land is concerned. So based on opinion of the district magistrate Muzaffarpur, to the extent revenue subject land is within bracket revenue, if it is government, in that event proceed with the construction of Godown. If the subject land is not of the government, in that event, district obtain necessary orders from the district magistrate undertake with a request to undertake the survey of subject land at the earliest. So with the above observation, the present petition stands.
One thing is also the district directed to pass order on the settlement proceeding.